video, we will show you how to connect a BarTender template from the BarTender Cloud template library to an Excel online database. To begin, we will create a new BarTender document in BarTender Cloud. Go to the hamburger icon at the top left part of the screen to open the navigation menu. Select Manage Files. Create a new folder, or select the folder where you would like the BarTender document to be saved. Select BarTender Template to open the BarTender Cloud template library. Add a filter or search to find a BarTender template. Select the BarTender template that you would like to connect to your Excel online database. This launches the Template Assistant. Name your new BarTender document. Here you can see the data field names in the BarTender template that can be populated with the values from a database. Click Next. Select Data Entry Forms if you would like to enable, and click Next. Select Excel Online so that an Excel Online database can be connected to the BarTender template. BarTender Cloud needs your permission to access Excel Online, so you will need to sign into your Microsoft account. Once signed in, click Next. Now, select the Excel workbook for this BarTender document, and click Next. Choose the right worksheet for this BarTender document. Check the box if the first row has field names. And click Next. To map your header values from the Excel Online database to the data fields, click on Auto Map to Database Fields. This will match all of the header values in your database to the data fields in the BarTender template. Then click Next. Repeat the same action by clicking on the Auto Map button for each remaining group of data fields. Click Finish. Your new BarTender document is now connected to the Excel Online database and is ready to print. To see the labels populated from the connected Excel Online database, click Print and Preview. Now you know how to connect a BarTender template in BarTender Cloud to an Excel Online database. Thank you for watching.